Hey everybody, I've had a couple of students struggling to begin to see the rest of the content, so I want to go over this very, very carefully. I'll be talking about this in the 12 o'clock meeting tomorrow if you're able to make it, but in the event that you're not. In order to begin to work on your modules, beginning with number 1, Muscles Move Us, you must come to the Getting Started module and complete all of these activities. So you must read the course syllabus. You must click on all of these links, essentially. Okay, and if there's any activity associated with that link, you must complete it. So the video introductions, you have to just at least post before the system will allow you to move on. And then, if you will notice, like verbal to visual, you must click on that. You must read what I write about working at your own pace. You must take the pre-assessment. All of these things must be completed and or clicked on and read. I tell you at the end of each module what you are to access next. So you should then next go to the group magazine project. Please don't get overly concerned about this. While it is a group project, you still only have your portion of the project that you are responsible for, and no one else's lack of work will impact your grade. It'll just impact your overall project. So you must come through here, read this carefully, guys. It is a fully online class. Alright, and you must do the project details, click on this, and then come back and watch this video of how to join a group. You need to join the group. Make sure you do that at this stage. Then the next thing for you to do, as you can see, is to go to the course outline. Once you get here, read this content, click on the outline, and get a big bird's eye view of the topics we will discuss. Next step, Kahoot pins. Click on the Kahoot pins. Be sure you read this. There's a lot of information in red. Alright, next step, begin Muscles Move Us. If you did not complete all of the tasks, okay, it's not going to show up if you did not do all the assignments within it. So make sure you do that. At that point, the Muscles Move Us module will appear. Okay, and if you will notice the way I have this set up, you must meet all these conditions. You must visit all content modules. You must complete at least one attempt on your pre-assessment. That's all of the attempts that you get. And you must do your video introduction, one thread. Okay, so if you don't meet all of these, the system will not allow you to move forward. Now, the system can be funky. So if you feel like you've done all of this, I need to know. Okay, we will jump on a video call. I'll get you to show me your course from your instance to let me see. I have already submitted a couple of tickets to the university about groups not showing up for students. So I'm not going to tell you that things are going to work perfectly, but just stay in communication with me and I will not allow you to be penalized. If we find that this conditional setup is causing more harm than good, then I'll just go in and I'll just take these away. But I would prefer not to, so that I can help you stay on track and this knowledge build upon itself. So once you complete, when you get to Muscles Move Us, you have a quiz, How Do Muscles Work quiz that you need to take. You must score at least an 85% on that quiz before you will be allowed to move forward. Okay? Alright, and so I remind you here about some optional videos to watch and about having the student lounge. Okay, so here's everything that you need once you get into the module. Alright, so tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I will be doing a big picture overview for those of you that did not join us last week or are struggling or just have questions in general when it comes to online courses. Please do join us so I can probably answer most of your questions before you even have them. And then whatever questions you still have, I'm happy to answer for you. I will be recording tomorrow's session, So in the event that you cannot make it, I will be posting it in the course on the course homepage on Wednesday, excuse me. Okay, thanks a lot. I hope this helps some. If you think you've done everything and you're still having troubles, then if you can meet with me tomorrow during the 12 o'clock hour, that would be great. If you can't, just shoot me an email. It'll be a busy morning, so I won't be able to respond right away, but I'll get to you before the day is done. Okay, thanks everybody.